you are a very qualified professional कि आप डॉक्टर हो, उसके ऊपर से आप पीडियाट्रिशियन हो. So has it impacted your professional life?
So there is no how to start. It's only start.
Yeah, it's when. You just need to start.
It's when you start is your start. Doesn't matter if you're bad at it. Doesn't matter if you have 3 left feet. Doesn't matter what people are saying. What you are doing is for yourself.
You need to find joy, and you will. Dance is something which will give you joy. You just need to stop judging yourself. I think that's the key for
The whole point. Dance is very important in that terms. Also, it prepares you for future life when you won't be as strong as you are now, but still your balance will be maintained. Still, you can take care of yourself. You're preparing for your old age now, so that in your old age you're less dependent on someone, and you are still able to live your life and not just live.
put across. Okay? You have to put effort. People, that you have to take that 1 hour out for yourself every day. Only then you can live long, live healthy, live happy.
स्टार्टिंग से वो माइंडसेट था कि बाबा मैं प्रैक्टिस तो करूंगा लेकिन सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस नहीं करूंगा.
Having dance which makes you so happy and internally happy, वो सिर्फ खुद के लिए. It's the biggest boon you can have. So I think more than a कि क्या ये करना चाहिए, it's more of a necessity, you know. I think it's
Exact.
talent तो यार gifted होते हो. किसी को है, किसी को नहीं है. It's hard work that is in your control.
Exactly.
And how hard you work can get you where you are.
Hard work always overpowers talent.
Talent, absolutely.
हमने सोचा यार कुछ ना ऐसे डिफरेंट कोई कुछ कर रहा है ना, ऐसे गेस्ट को बुलाया जाए. तो आप गेस करो हमने किसको बुलाया. अभी देखो हमने इस बार जो गेस्ट बुलाए हैं वो डॉक्टर है, डॉक्टर कपल है एक्चुअली. और उसके साथ साथ गेस करो क्या करते, गेस करो वो उसके साथ डांस करते हैं. डांस उनका एक हॉबी है और उनका एक डांस स्टूडियो भी है. सो यू नो डॉक्टर्स है, सीरियस प्रोफेशन है और उसके साथ डांस भी करते हैं एज अ पैशन. एंड उन्होंने काफ़ी बड़े बड़े स्टेजेस पे भी परफॉर्म किया है. और मुझे ना फ्रैंकली पर्सनली ऐसे लगता है कि सीरियस प्रोफेशन जिसका होता है ना, उसको एक हॉबी डेवलप करना चाहिए सो दैट उनका जो मेंटल स्टेटस है ना वो फ्रेश रहता है, सेन रहता है. सो उनसे जानेंगे कि इंडिया में डांस सीन क्या होता है, कैसे किसी को डांस करना है एज अ हॉबी तो वो कर सकते हैं, उसके बेनिफिट्स क्या है. एंड या सो आई होप यू गाइज एंजॉय द पॉडकास्ट एंड सब्सक्राइब तो आपने डेफिनेटली किया होगा. So thank you guys. So you're a pediatrician, you're a periodontist. How did you get into dance?
Well, it was a separate journey for both of us.
Okay.
So when we met, we were already dancers. And in fact, after I met her, the first thing I asked her was, will you be a part of one of our shows? So that's how.
ये कब की बात है ये?
2013.
Okay.
2013. So that is when we met.
Okay.
So I'm sure we'll get into the details of how we met. But dancing for me was a childhood passion. Like I used to dance. Music बजा तो नाचा था बचपन से. And my mom had always picked that up. So she pushed me. Mom was the reason why I pursued dance as more than just something time pass. More like a hobby. It's still a hobby. A little more serious of a hobby for me. As for Srishti, I think she'll tell you better.
It's funny how it started. Being from I'm a Marwari owner. Sangeet Vangeet is like Karan Johar types. So literally I realized on Sangeet practices and all, yeah, मैं तो अच्छा डांस कर लेती हूँ. ऐसे लोग appreciate कर रहे हैं and birthday parties and all, they're like हाँ. Initially I used to think कि सबको ही तारीफ कर रहे हैं इसलिए मेरी तारीफ हो रही है. Then I realized oh, I think I can dance well. And then school was again a very important part because I used to always be a part of all group dances. Then we had a school choreographer or dance teacher. Initially, like towards the end, what started happening is मैं उनके साथ choreograph करने लग गई. You know, group dancer. That's when I realized that okay, I really like this. I think I'm good at it, and it's something that it gives me a lot of happiness. So it should be a part of my life. Yeah.
क्योंकि like I mean ये आपको भी कभी फेस करना पड़ा होगा शायद. एंड करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, बट कैसा है कि यू आर अ वेरी क्वालिफाइड प्रोफेशनल, कि आप डॉक्टर हो, उसके ऊपर से आप पीडियाट्रिशियन हो, सो बेबीज, छोटे बच्चे, उनके डॉक्टर हो, एंड यू परस्यू डांस वेरी सीरियसली. इट्स नॉट लाइक जस्ट अ हॉबी. तो फिर हैज इट इम्पैक्टेड योर प्रोफेशनल लाइफ?
So, fortunately, touchwood, only positive impact for me.
Okay.
So somehow, it's never been like कि how can you be dancing, you're a doctor. Like
अच्छा.
image कैसे तुम maintain नहीं करो, ऐसा कभी भी I have never faced.
हाँ.
Like कभी सोचता था मैं कि should I make it public that I'm dancing also?
हाँ.
But in fact, since we've made it public, since we started posting on Instagram and YouTube, patients come and appreciate it even further, and that pushes us more to यार करना चाहिए, and you should not stop doing this. It is something nice.
But all patients, like young patients का तो अपने
Then
generation,
the parents, grandparents, they like, we are waiting for your next video. आप कब dance करने वाले?
Yes.
And they really enjoy it. The kids also, little older kids who are on screen time at times, they also like watching our videos, and मतलब अच्छा लगता है कि बच्चे हम लोग को सिर्फ डॉक्टर की तरह नहीं देख रहे, but they look at us as people who are doing multiple things. And that I think also adds a level of a layer of bonding
Personal
between
connect, yeah,
personal
yes,
connect and layer of
personal
bonding between the patients and me. And so I always found it as a plus point that I also dance along with this. So it's always pushed me to pursue my hobbies.
क्योंकि like if you see a doctor's career trajectory, तो कैसा है, डॉक्टर बनो, एक जगह में आप प्रैक्टिस शुरू करो, एंड देन यू डू इट डे एंड नाइट विदाउट गिविंग टाइम टू फैमिली. अभी जैसे इंटरनेट पे भी सम पीपल वेंट आउट एंड दे आस्क्ड पीपल कि whom would you not date, सबका आंसर एक ही है, डॉक्टर, कि उसके पास टाइम नहीं रहता है. तो उसमें टाइम निकाल पाना एंड परस्यूइंग अ हॉबी सीरियसली, तो ऐसा ख्याल दिमाग में आ सकता है, या वन वुड थिंक कि यार ये ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, एज इन कैन इट बी डन along with a serious profession? And why am I saying this is because young generation या जो middle ages है, या तो ठीक है, but there are some preconceived notions कि अरे अगर आप डॉक्टर हो तो यही काम करो, it's a serious profession, why are you going into arts or yeah whatever ऐसा entertainment.
Absolutely. So what you say is right. But this has changed a lot over generations. No matter what I say, I can never take away from the fact that my parents are the biggest reason and my biggest support to be able to do this today. Because mom, obviously, she pushed me and she's always supported me for dancing and for following my passions and hobbies. Dad has done all the hard work, has set up a strong base for me that I can only build up of. So because I don't have to start from scratch, I already have a set practice of my diet that I could run. Uske upar, then I have that additional time to give to something like dance, biking, etc., whatever that I like doing. And till now, it's him and my mom that have supported me throughout this journey in setting up the dance studio. And then I find Srishti, who is also of the same mindset. So it's a community within our house itself of supporting each other. Without that, I think it's very difficult, because then you have to go against your parents, you have to go against people's wills. That becomes a struggle. But in this day and age, especially for people who are coming from a background of privilege, who have a well set up background, why not? I mean, what's stopping me? Your parents have worked hard so that you can do this today. So you should.
And even like आपने बोला कि medicine is a very very serious profession. I think in fact pursuing something parallelly, something like dance, is very essential for a very serious profession. It gets the seriousness out of your life. It makes you more human. It lets you connect to a lot more emotions in what you are seeing only in your practice, which I think is very, very important as a doctor, especially. Like for him, he sees deaths of babies, So for you to come out of that mindset, having dance which makes you so happy and internally happy, सिर्फ खुद के लिए, it's the biggest boon you can have. So I think more than कि क्या ये करना चाहिए, it's more of a necessity, I think it's
Exactly. And like इफ वी थिंक लाइक दैट, तो ऐसे तो एवरी सीरियस प्रोफेशनल, अभी जैसे डॉक्टर्स पकड़ लो, उस हिसाब से तो डॉक्टर्स को ऐसे कुछ हॉबीज होनी चाहिए टू सेट दैट रीसेट बटन इन देयर माइंड, सो दैट, क्योंकि अगर डॉक्टर सिर्फ वही एनवायरनमेंट में है तो इवन इफ दैट डॉक्टर इज द बेस्ट डॉक्टर, वो एक पॉइंट के बाद टॉक्सिक हो जाएगा.
It's very simple. A relaxed and a happy doctor is a good doctor.
Yeah.
Being in that state of mind, you're giving back more to your patients, in fact, by not being in that toxic environment, by not being bogged down or burnt out. वो burnout को nullify करने के लिए तुम कर रहे हो और वही तुमको तुम्हारे काम भी better कर रहा है. So it's a win-win.
Totally.
Exactly. And then there are like other benefits की now since you are into dance, तो अभी आप इतने fit हो just because of that कि you take up a sport or in your case you have taken up dance. तो as a result of that you're also staying fit. You are encouraging your patients to stay fit कि भाई देखो मैं इतना busy रह के if I can remove some time out of my schedule to pursue this, तो I think even you should try and do that. I mean, सब cases में possible तो होता नहीं है, but you should try and do that. But tell me कि अभी now since you are so fit, both of you, and as a result of that you look very young. मतलब honestly someone could say कि अरे you are in college only, अभी तक आप सीख रहे हो या अभी जस्ट कॉलेज से निकले हो. तो ऐसा कभी एक्सपीरियंस आया है कि पेशेंट्स आए एंड नहीं यार ये जूनियर डॉक्टर लग रहा है, ऐसा हुआ है कभी?
Absolutely. So practice के start में तो I used to look very different. अभी तो फिर भी थोड़े बाल सफेद वगैरह हो गए. So I do look a little older now. But when I started off, I used to be clean shaven. So automatically इधर मेरे 10 साल कम हो जाते हैं. And पेशेंट्स लिटरली केबिन में आते देखते और चले जाते हैं. एंड देन बाहर से रिसेप्शन से फोन आते ही पेशेंट बोल रहा है कि सीनियर डॉक्टर चाहिए. मैं भी अब क्या बोलूं? With her also this has happened, like, you know.
Yeah, so I've had patients come in, नाम सुना है, ठीक है डॉक्टर सृष्टि के पास जा रहे हो, आते अंदर दिखते हैं, हाँ डॉक्टर सृष्टि नहीं है, डॉक्टर सृष्टि नहीं. अच्छा मैडम आप तो बहुत यंग दिखते हैं. हाँ मैं बहुत मेहनत करती हूँ यंग दिखने के लिए. You know that's like my dialogue. I work very hard to look like how I do. So they're like हाँ you know, like वो joke जैसा हो जाता है. But the point is put across कि you have to put effort, that you have to take that 1 hour out for yourself every day. Only then you can live long, live healthy, live happy.
Because breaking stereotypes is hard ना. अभी इंडिया में traditionally what we have seen is अगर मैं किसी डॉक्टर के पास जाऊं and ठीक है उसको बहुत एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत है, बट if that person doesn't look the part कि उसको एक टमी है, ग्लासेस होने चाहिए,
चश्मा,
टकला होना चाहिए, if he doesn't look that part, तो फिर it is वो थोड़ा ना cognitive dissonance आ जाता है दिमाग में. अरे यार ये claim तो कर रहा है कि he is experienced, but is he experienced because he looks so young?
And especially in our field of medicine, वहाँ पे it's तुम अपने लाइफ के बारे में कुछ करने चाह रहे हो. लाइक मेरे केस में बच्चा आ रहा है, तो बच्चे के लिए डिसीजन लेना, दे वांट दैट श्योरिटी कि हाँ ये सही जगह पे आया है.
Exactly.
कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया तो फिर क्या करेंगे?
To tell you honestly, your personality is more of an ortho guy. Yeah, I am sure you must have watched a lot.
In fact, I was going to take up ortho. Ortho was one of my favorite fields. But बाद में जब realize हो कि ortho लिया मतलब 3-3, 5-5 घंटे ओटी में अटकना पड़ेगा. मैं इतना कमिटमेंट नहीं दे सकता. मेरे को फटाफट निपटाना है ताकि मैं बाकी सब कर सकूं. सब स्टार्टिंग से वो माइंडसेट था कि बाबा मैं प्रैक्टिस तो करूंगा लेकिन सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस नहीं करूंगा.
Because I have never yet seen such a well built pediatrician. Pediatricians usually आप देखो मतलब अभी this is a generalization, I'm sure I'm wrong, but pediatricians are very cute little guys. कि बच्चे भी comfortable feel करें उनसे, maybe they think like that and then they take up the field, but in your case it is मतलब way at the other end of cute तो आप हो, but नहीं definitely obviously, but वो थोड़ा मतलब आपका पर्सनालिटी इतना अच्छा है कि इट्स हार्ड टू बिलीव कि अरे आप पीडियाट्रिशियन when you imagine a pediatrician, you imagine those tiny hands.
Yeah, soft fingers.
हाँ, soft
hands.
fingers. आप बेबी को एकदम केयरफुली लिफ्ट कर रहे हो, आपके एक हाथ में बेबी आ जाता हो. हाँ,
आराम से
है ना. तो फिर इट इज थोड़ा वो ये हो जाता है कि अरे यार pediatrician. But anyway, that is so amazing. And tell me about dance. अभी dance जैसे है, like even for normal people, if they want to take up dance, how should they start?
So, so there is no how to start. It's only start.
yeah, it's when you just need to start.
It's when you start is your start.
Hmm.
Doesn't matter if you're bad at it. Doesn't matter if you have 3 left feet. Doesn't matter what people are saying. What you are doing is for yourself. That is the only message that we tell our friends or whoever we want. You know, कि करो यार dance अच्छा है. It's a good hobby for your mind and your body. And जितना करोगे उतना you will develop confidence. Your personality will change. And dance क्या है? You are moving your body. Everybody moves their body. Movies में बोलते हैं ना कि walking itself is a type of dance. If you can walk, you can dance.
Okay.
So I'm stealing that dialogue from I think Step Up.
Yeah.
Step Up the movie. But it really resonates with me because it's true. If you can walk, you can dance. You have rhythm in your body. Is that the
Because you're walking at a particular timing, you know. एक
Right.
एक rhythm उसमें भी है. तो आप अगर वो rhythm follow कर रहे हो तो dance follow कर रहे हो is on that top, you know.
Anybody can. Frankly, it is true.
हाँ.
Anybody can if you want to.
Okay, क्योंकि the first thing that comes to my mind, अभी I have absolutely zero exposure of dance, and सबसे पहला mind जो I'm sure हर किसी के दिमाग में first thought that comes to everyone's mind must be, यार ये awkward लगेगा.
लोग क्या सोचेंगे?
हाँ, लोग क्या सोचेंगे, because वो awkward ही लगेगा वो. I don't know. That is why probably मतलब I या फिर most of people never try to dance कि यार एक पता नहीं अपने से होगा
First
नहीं.
thing you need to do is stop judging yourself.
Hmm.
आप खुद को जज करना बंद कर दोगे ना, you will not care what others are thinking. You just have to कि मैं ये करने वाला हूँ. मतलब I give you an example. My brother is a musician. My mother-in-law is a singer. So I have like good music around. I have a good
Being a
sense of
CA,
music.
a brother being a CA is a musician.
Right.
But I can't sing to save my life. मतलब बहुत खराब आवाज है. या फिर भी मैं गाती हूँ. ये मुझे बहुत गाली देता है कि भगवान ने तुझे सिर्फ एक चीज नहीं दी है
हाँ,
जो आवाज है वो आवाज है. I'm like, it gives me happiness. मैं गाऊंगी. तुमको नहीं सुनना है मत सुनो. I think that's exactly how it should go with dance. If it is, you need to find joy, and you will. Dance is something which will give you joy. You just need to stop judging yourself. I think that's the key for it.
And it's a fact that I am an extremely awkward person. Extremely awkward person. मतलब तुम मेरे को क्लब में डाल लो, people will not believe I'm a dancer. क्योंकि मैं डांस नहीं करता, मैं साइड में खड़ा रहना है, मेरे को नहीं करना है डांस. इतने सारे लोग हैं, मैं कहाँ पीछे
ऐसा
जाके
डांस नहीं करना है, मतलब ऐसे सेटिंग में
मैं करूंगा एक बार. Once I start, I'll be mad. But then वो somehow I'm afraid of the spotlight.
Okay.
Unless it's a stage. Stage में कैसे सबको पता है, people are expecting.
Correct, right,
पार्टी
right.
वार्टी में गए, वहाँ पे सब लोग नाच रहे, अब तक नाच रहे. सृष्टि pushes me कि कर, तू इतना अच्छा कर. नहीं.
I mean, if you are being awkward, like you can't be awkward,
But
It's
then-
something that comes so naturally to you.
It's just that initial
push
ice
that
break
you
that I
got,
need.
yeah.
You break through that and things are good. So I think that is true with most other people who are awkward. कि तुम एक बार वो डाल दिया वो environment में, you will thrive. But you have to push your boundaries. You have to push yourself out of the comfort zone. अगर आप comfort zone में रहोगे तो आप कभी grow नहीं करने वाले. This is true with anywhere in life. आप comfort zone में रहे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप एक्सरसाइज करो, बेंच प्रेस करो, मैं 80 kg का बेंच प्रेस आराम से करे, तो मैं हर बार 80 करूंगा तो कभी ग्रो नहीं करूंगा. आई हैव टू पुश माई सेल्फ इनटू पेन एंड इनटू डिस्कम्फर्ट टू बी एबल टू लिफ्ट हेवियर. सिमिलरली इन लाइफ, इफ यू वांट टू ग्रो, कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा. एंड कोई नहीं देख रहा है यार, मतलब यू आर जजिंग योरसेल्फ, बाकी किसी को बड़ी नहीं, सब अपने अपने लाइफ में बिजी है. नो वन इज गोइंग टू गिव वन मिनट टू यू. शायद एक बार बोले कि अरे ये ठीक नाच रहा है या नहीं नाच रहा है, व्हाटएवर, अपने काम में बिजी रहेगा वो.
आप ऋतिक रोशन ऐसे डांस कर लो तब देखेंगे कि वाह क्या कर रहा है. अदरवाइज सब लोग
Otherwise, no one is bothered. So, वो सोचो कि यार तुम किसी और के लिए नहीं, अपने लिए कर रहे हो, and just do it.
Because if you think about it, singing and dancing usually है ना, अभी kids रहते हैं, आपने तो देखा ही होगा, तो like little kids, तो उनके लिए वो बहुत naturally आता है, because obviously उनमें वो inhibition नहीं है अभी तक. But then we inhibit ourselves and we tell ourselves all those
Social
हाँ.
norms.
because you start caring for what other people think.
Start.
You should do it. मतलब आई थिंक सब लोग यही चीज से स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं. आप सोचो, मैं क्या सोच रही हूँ, मैं सोचूं, आप क्या सोचो. यार हम दोनों को ये सोचना बंद करना है. We just need to do our own thing, and I think that's just the way out of it.
Because whenever you hear music, dance, I think naturally comes to you कि हाँ ठीक है, I
Correct.
should move
Yeah, yeah.
to
You
this
start
You
music.
start tapping,
है
you
ना?
start
हाँ, हाँ,
clicking, yeah.
But we never follow through कि हाँ ठीक है, चलो इसको थोड़ा और इसमें कुछ और करते हैं. एंड अदर देन दैट, लाइक वी डिस्कस्ड कि भाई डांस है, उसका एक फायदा भी है कि इट्स, अभी पीपल से इफ यू वांट टू स्टे हेल्दी जॉइन अ स्पोर्ट एंड डू सम एक्टिविटी, व्हाई नॉट डांस?
Absolutely, 100%.
Just move.
Yeah.
Moving. अभी तो लोग बोलते हैं ना कि walking also has become an exercise because people in early ages used to walk everywhere. अभी we are so stuck to one spot in our office or in at home that हम लोग दिन में मुश्किल से 1 घंटा we are on our feet. So walking also has become an exercise now. So अगर चलना है तो थोड़ा सा नाच को यार, मजा आएगा पूरा.
Why walk when you can dance, right?
right. Exactly. And क्योंकि the other thing is, I don't know, dancing may not seem like an exercise, where in fact it requires a lot of effort.
Yeah, absolutely.
वो
Again,
जितना
it
ग्रेसफुल
depends.
दिखता है तो उतना, मतलब उतना इजी है नहीं.
Yeah, जितना effortless आपको दिख रहा है, उतना effort लगा है to bring it there. You know? The easier it looks, in the sense, the more effortless it looks, the more practice, the more strength, your core strength, your stamina, your fitness, वो सब play में आया है, तभी आप इतना effortless देख रहे हो. That's how the end result is that, you know. So absolutely, the fitness is a very, it's a key determinant of how much you will grow in dancing. So automatically आपका fitness becomes a way of life. How you're moving. See, again, this is nothing to do with how thin or fat. मतलब वो सब का कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
So we see in all these dance shows also,
Yeah.
people of every shape and size are dancing brilliantly.
Correct. So आपका body type is very secondary. It's just how you're able to move, how quickly you can move from point A to point B. कितना control है आपके body में, you know. What again? How you're holding your core. वो सब कुछ translates into how graceful you are looking, how quickly you are moving your steps, all of that. So fitness is in fact one of the most important things for dancing, you know.
And again, then that is why dance also brings out a fitter you.
Yeah, absolutely.
नहीं, but for someone who is, say, not so fit.
So yeah, so since you already mentioned that, I was going to talk about, see, we know a person, a friend who is doing very well in the dancing world. She is big.
Okay.
Like she, like कोई उसको बोला यार ये तो बहुत मोटी है, डांस से कर रही है, but when she dances, she kills it. And that thing, when she walks on the road also now, तुमको दिखता है उसके बॉडी में वो पर्सनालिटी आ गई है, you know, तो भी she holds the body, the posture, वो देख के तुमको मतलब you will not find it. काफी लोग ऐसे रहते हैं बहुत मोटा है, ची कितना गाना दिखता है,
हाँ हाँ
वो वाला फील ही नहीं आएगा उसको देख के, बिकॉज शी लुक्स ब्यूटीफुल द वे शी इज. तो ऐसे ही बहुत सारे लोग हैं who are bodily, if you go to see, they are big or they look
Who
unfit.
don't stick to the norm. आप जब
Yeah,
डांस सोचते हो
कि
ऐसा
दुबला
दिखना
पतला
चाहिए, ऐसा
सिक्स
नहीं
पैक
है.
एब्स एंड ये बॉडी बिल्कुल भी नहीं, बट when they dance they flow. I mean, it's beautiful.
So these people are also fit, you know.
Yeah, no one.
And this person I talk about is a proper, she's a celebrity.
Yeah.
I just don't take any names, but she's a celebrity. She's come on dance shows, dance movies, and very well known personality.
But then is it harder for, like, say, unfit,
It's
slightly overt people to dance?
आप exercise करना शुरू करोगे.
हाँ.
If you're inactive.
Everything is difficult in the beginning.
Because first few steps are difficult. 1 to 8 जाना difficult है. But 8 से 20 जाना will be easier. 20 to 50 जाना will be even easier. You know, so as consistency is the key. आप जैसे जैसे करते रहो.
Human body is very miraculous और magical in the way कि कुछ कम होता है तो कुछ और बढ़ जाता है. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि जिसकी whose vision is bad has a better sense of smell or a better sense of hearing. You always find a way around obstacles in your life. हमें कितनी इंजरीज होती है, लाइक कभी हाथ टूट गया, हाथ लेफ्ट हैंड इज नॉट फंक्शनल फॉर से अ वीक और 2 weeks. We manage, no. Similarly, over time, your body adapts to whatever you are putting to it into. No, it takes time. It might take a little longer for people who are of that body shape, but ऐसा नहीं, it's not impossible. You just have to push through your limits and push through your boundaries, and everything is possible.
In fact, it can be a very beautiful start to a fitter journey.
Yeah.
Starting dancing can be a very
And again, when we talk about fitness, you're not talking about going to the shape that people want you to be, but being fit.
Yeah.
How you look doesn't matter. It's how you feel within. If you are feeling energetic, if you're doing your activities without getting tired, that is fitness in our mind.
एंड ऑल्सो द अदर थिंग इज फिटनेस में ना बहुत सारी चीजें आ जाती है. वन थिंग इज टू लूज वेट एंड लुक एस्थेटिक, बट आई थिंक अभी दिस इज जस्ट माई गेस कि डांस से ये होता होगा, एंड टेल मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, कि मे बी वेट उतना ही है या थोड़ा बहुत रिड्यूस भी हो गया, बट आई थिंक जितना मैंने देखा है ऑन ऑब्जर्वेशन, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एटलीस्ट द थिंग दैट इम्प्रूव्स अ लॉट इज फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी.
absolutely
Flexibility, stamina, definitely.
endurance, yeah.
Muscle tone,
Muscle-
everything.
Everything increases. So we
But
break-
again, it varies from dance style to dance style. There are a lot of dance styles that do not require you to be very flexible.
अच्छा,
Like,
ऐसा भी है.
Like Latin ballroom में काफी forms है जहाँ पे you are refer. I'm not saying you're not flexible, but if you compare that to contemporary dancing or ballet dancing, man, the flexibility is of a different level. But in general, any dance will bring out a better version of your body at the end of it.
And we are so blessed in today's day and age. We are exposed to so many dance forms. So everyone will find something which is workable for them.
And it's all accessible.
Yeah, sab accessible.
Internet has made everything so accessible. आप घर पे बैठ के कर सकते हैं. YouTube खोलो, you'll get so many tutorials to dance too. आपने क्लास नहीं जाना, ठीक है, 15 मिनट निकाली खुद के लिए, तुम वीडियो देख के खुद के साथ अकेले अकेले डांस करो, कोई जज करने के लिए भी नहीं है. So dancing can be done anywhere, and it's true with any hobby. In fact, it's all become much easier and much more accessible in this day and age of internet.
क्योंकि एवरीबडी टॉक्स अबाउट जॉइंट हेल्थ, मसल हेल्थ, वो सब तो ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग है, बट देयर इज लाइक अ न्यू थिंग कमिंग अप विच इज मसल फैशिया हेल्थ. तो अभी लाइक पीपल आर कमिंग आउट विद रिसर्च कि भाई फैशिया हेल्थ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंड इफ दे आर सेइंग दैट, तो आई एम अगेन अज्यूमिंग कि डांस विल प्ले अ बिग रोल इन फैशिया हेल्थ. So is there, so what in your experience कि ऐसा है या ऐसा नहीं है?
See, fashion है तो अभी से लोगों को रियलाइज हो रहा है कि ये भी जरूरी है.
And what is it? Okay, if you had to tell our audience, क्या है वो?
So fascia is a part of your, it's the layer on top of your muscles, right? And fasciitis होता है, लोगों को pulls होता है. भी fascia is what usually gets damaged or gets affected, and that leads to long-standing injuries. So when you go for rehabilitation, they are going to make you do the movements that are painful. So fascia is a part of your musculoskeletal system. आप मसल्स का टोन इंप्रूव करोगे, आप अपना फिटनेस लेवल्स इंप्रूव करोगे, fascia health will be taken care of on it, so you don't have to do anything specifically for the fascia. It's just that अभी वो लाइमलाइट में आ गया है. Correct.
You're right. So in something called as myofascial trigger points or something आपने सुना होगा, the way knots are released, ultrasound is given. So all that is again myofascial, muscle and fascia on top of that, right? So so I'm a orofacial pain specialist. So myofascial pain is something that I deal with very often. So one of the first things that we ask myofascial people to do is physical therapy aiming to improve your mobility, to improve your flexibility, things what we are discussing. And dance is one of the easiest ways to do it. आप realize भी नहीं करते हो and you're doing all of
It's
it, you
fun.
know? Like जो movements है, आपका range of movement बढ़ाना है, all that comes in the physiotherapy in myofascial therapy.
Exactly, because that is one thing I see which is an advantage over regular working out या
Correct,
playing a
yeah,
sport.
Totally, yes.
Absolutely.
कि यार
It combines easily. बहुत
है ना?
बिना जाने वो combine हो जाता है.
हाँ.
Entire body is getting utilized, ना? You're working out in the gym. आप usually एक मसल ग्रुप या दो मसल ग्रुप से फोकस कर रहे हो. Sports and dance. I think sports also does that कि आपका full body workout हो जाता है. And sports में और dance में there is something that you're doing. Not just lifting weights and doing some mindless activity. मतलब जो डेडिकेटेड है वो करेगा, उसमें मजा आता है. लेकिन डांस करने में या स्पोर्ट्स करने में देयर इज सम ऑब्जेक्टिव कि हाँ ये गेम में को जीतना है या ये परफॉर्मेंस में को ऐसे अच्छे से करना है, आई वांट टू इंप्रूव दिस डांस, इट शुड लुक द वे आई वांटेड टू. तो उस चक्कर में आप अपने आप को पुश कर करके यू गेट बेटर एट इट एंड यू आर मूविंग दैट मच मोर.
कॉम्प्लेक्स मूवमेंट है
कॉम्प्लेक्स
तो
मूवमेंट्स है तो ऑल द जॉइंट्स, ऑल योर मसल्स, ऑल योर फेशिया, टेंडन्स, लिगामेंट्स, एवरीथिंग इज गेटिंग वार्म्ड अप एंड यूज्ड.
and your mind muscle coordination. Again, something
right,
that is a very very important thing. Ab dance mein, your mind is telling ye muscle move hona chahiye, ye contact karo chahiye. So that also helps in a lot of diseases, especially what we are seeing now. Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, all of that. So dancing has proven benefits for all of this.
It improves your
Okay.
balance.
Yeah.
So people who have been fit throughout life, हम लोग देखते हैं ना कि ये 90-year-old man है लेकिन अभी भी straight चलते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि उन्होंने in the prime time he's done things that have led him to this now.
Just like that's his development and coming to very medical part of it, apna synapse development changing is happening through our life. And these are the activities, these challenging activities are the ones that help them bond in a better way, in a more superior fashion rather than degrading जो Parkinson's वगैरह में होता है. So again, this directly affects that, there's a direct connection that is making things better.
Like if you ask, like एक बंदा है जो दिन भर ऑफिस में काम करता है, at home he's just sitting and watching TV, maybe you just go to the washroom or go to get some snack, and tomorrow tell him now you go around 10 kilometers. क्या होएगा? He'll come back with injury, he might not even be able to complete it. वही चीज अगर तुम डेली मूव करते हो, it becomes easier for you. So that 10 kilometer is your old age. You're preparing for your old age now. So that in your old age you're less dependent on someone and you are still able to live your life and not just live. You want to enjoy your life, right? जिंदा रह के कुछ नहीं करोगे तो जिंदा रहने का कोई point नहीं है. So that is the whole point. Dance is very important in that terms also. It prepares you for future life when you won't be as strong as you are now, but still your balance will be maintained. Still you can take care of yourself. Daily chores तुम खुद कर सकते हो, किसी की जरूरत नहीं पड़े.
Absolutely. So आपने जो aesthetic concerns बोले कि whether you fit the aesthetic, whether you're losing weight, whether you're putting more, these are all very short-term goals, It's not a long-term goal. A long-term goal is when I'm 90, चलो 90 तक जिए ना जिए. When I'm 70, क्या मैं सब कुछ कर पा रही हूँ? Am I like moving things? Am I able to lift things myself? Climb the stairs by myself? Move how I want to? Pursue activities that I want to? I think more life
Quality of life, हाँ.
Yeah,
Sit on the ground.
Yeah.
As simple as just sit on the ground and get
play
up.
with my child,
Play with your
be
kids.
around, those kind. I think that's the more long-term vision rather than having a myopic vision कि मैं आज दिख कैसी रही.
Right. And now since we have said that, तो मुझे वैसे लगता है मतलब if that is the case, जो भी middle aged है या फिर who are like crossing that middle age and going into that elderly space, would it be recommended कि हाँ ये लोग ने डांस definitely try तो करना चाहिए?
So we have a senior batch in our dance studio. We have a senior batch. So they do jive, they do salsa, and you should look at them. And these are all senior citizens, 60, 65 up. And क्या डांस करते वो लोग. And they've started now. ऐसा नहीं है कि पहले से डांस कर रहे हैं.
They are all beginners.
Yeah. And they're so enthusiastic. And we have this annual show, हमारे studio का. And उसमें they are like prepared and costumes.
I think they are more enthusiastic than the kids that
then
come
everybody,
there.
yeah.
Then waiting कि हमारा turn कब आएगा स्टेज पे जाने का.
And it's such a happy moment that 1 hour of practice, twice a week or something. उन लोग कितने खुश होते हैं. You can see it on their face, that it is bringing so much joy and so much quality to their life at that age. So sometimes I think as you grow older, you think कि अब क्या करना है.
You tend to feel irrelevant
correct.
at old age. So this keeps you relevant.
Absolutely.
It takes care of your mental health along with your physical health.
Totally.
And तुम फिर again you're not waiting for your better half. अगर see touch wood आपके better half है साथ में. अगर sometimes if you're a single person like आपकी you've
for whatever
lost
reason,
for
you're
whatever
single.
reason.
Yeah.
So you are not waiting for some companion or you're not waiting for someone to come and take you off that
Right.
chair and make you do something. यहाँ पे तू खुद you're taking your life in your hands. You're taking control of your life and your happiness. Meeting more people, socializing. So dance से बहुत कुछ open up, lot of doors open up with dancing.
You meet so many interesting people. क्या क्या किया हुआ है. कोई नेवी से है, कोई आर्मी से है, कोई टीचर है.
अभी अगर हम लोग डांस नहीं करते सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस करते तो आज ये पॉडकास्ट में भी नहीं होते.
और आपको कन्विंस नहीं कर रहे होते कि आप भी डांस करो, है ना.
That is वो थोड़ा मुश्किल है because यार नहीं but किसको वो इच्छा नहीं हुआ है कभी डांस करेंगे ना. Everybody wants at some point in time wanted to dance.
You see Hrithik Roshan dance on TV तुमको लगता है यार काश मैं भी ऐसे थोड़ा
हाँ I could move a little like that at least. वो तो लगता ही है. एंड अभी ये तो चलो ठीक है, डांस हेल्थ के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, बट टेल मी अबाउट डांस इटसेल्फ. अभी जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल द रीजन आई एम आस्किंग दिस इज, यू टेक व्हाटएवर, बॉडी बिल्डिंग ले लो, यू नो, कॉम्पिटिटिव क्रिकेट ले लो, फुटबॉल ले लो, तो इंडियन डांस सीन में क्या चल रहा है अभी फिलहाल एज कम्पेयर टू लाइक.
So see, we are not in that kind of dancing practice ki we are competing anywhere. But India has picked up in terms of dancing quite a bit. जो internationally hip hop practice challenges होते हैं, ये competitions होती है. Similarly, India also has entered that stage where it is able to compete at an international level. So Indian काफी सारे groups हैं जो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. Kings United एक है, फिर क्या डांस हिप हॉप इंडिया है, कुछ तो ऐसे नाम है. You know a lot of dancers who are a part of these troops, and they're really taking India to the world stage now.
यार ये तो हो गया इंटरनेशनल डांस. चलो हिप हॉप कम्स फ्रॉम आउटसाइड और समथिंग लाइक दैट.
Even Indian dance songs. So Indian dance songs like Bollywood, your classical dancing also has picked up a lot internationally. बहुत ज्यादा demand है Bollywood का, कथक का, इनफैक्ट
कथक, मोहिनीअट्टम,
Lot of
भरतनाट्यम.
these.
आई थिंक everybody is coming back to their roots now. Realize ये केस का कितना significance है, how it benefits. For me also, I'm a classically trained dancer. I've completed my 7 years of Mohiniyattam and all. And I know, खैर I could not professionally तो pursue नहीं किया उसको, but I know कितना benefit है of having that background today for me as a dancer. Like the way I can spot, he can't, because मैंने वो classical dancing किया हुआ है. You know that's true. so I know कि वो कितना beneficial रहा है in everything in my entire dance journey, and more and more people all over the world are realizing that. And even people like, so there's Ritika Cornell, जो bachata again comes as an international dance form. Now what they have done is they have Indianized the dance form. They have made it their style, and now they are taking it internationally. So this is one such example. A lot of people are doing that, you know. Indians are not afraid now to adapt something, own it, modify it, like make it their own, and then bring it back to the world and give it back. I think we are gaining that confidence कि हम भी है. हमने भी हमारा presence mark कर दिया है, you know. We are not like, we are not scared, or we don't be intimidated by others easily anymore. So that thing is there for sure.
क्योंकि पहले लाइक अभी ये डांस मूवीज अपने यहाँ पे कब बने, पहले वहां पे बने, तो फिर किसी ने देखा यार डांस
वही कॉपी होके भी इधर बन रहा है.
हाँ, तो वहां पे देखा, फिर सोचा यार हम लोग भी एक डांस मूवी निकालते हैं whatever. तो दे केम आउट विद अ डांस मूवी. दैट ऑल इज ओके, बट एक होता है ना कि अरे यार हाँ हम लोग वो लोग से बेटर कर सकते हैं whatever, कि इट्स नॉट लाइक उनको हराना है या whatever, हमको खुद अपने आप को बेटर करना है.
खुद का आइडेंटिटी बताना.
हाँ.
Sorry.
So
Basically now you can copy the concept. तुमने ABCD बना लिया, copy from Step Up. तुम वो सब कॉपी पर डांस तो करना ही है ना. और डांसिंग बहुत अमेजिंग है यार ये मूवी से. भले स्टोरी लाइन इतनी अच्छी ना हो या एग्जीक्यूशन इतना अच्छा हो, बट डांसिंग तो है ही वो लेवल का. यू सी दीज यंग डांसर्स जो डांस शो से निकले, were nobodies and I have become somebody just because of dancing. They dance fantastic. मतलब वो सिर्फ डांस देखने के लिए तुम वो मूवी देख सकते हो, और वो चीज तो यार तुम्हारा अपना है, वो तुम किसी से कॉपी करके तो कर नहीं सकते. डांस तो तुमको खुद का ही करना पड़ेगा. सो दैट वे वी आर देयर. डेफिनेटली देयर इज नो कॉम्पिटिशन, लाइक उनके साथ compete करना भी नहीं, बट वी आर डेफिनेटली एट पार इफ नॉट नो.
एंड सिंस मतलब अभी डांस तो आपने लाइक एज अ सीरियस हॉबी आप कर रहे हो, बट लाइक हाइपोथेटिकली if you had to like pursue dance full time, let's say for example कि किसी एक यंग बंदे को अभी डांस परस्यू करना है and want to make it his profession, तो वो कैसे करना चाहिए?
So see, that is one thing that is a little difficult to do, because dancing में to be able to earn. See, now when you're doing it as a profession, you have to think about the financials, not to earn from it. हमारे लिए it's not our earning source, so we are able to enjoy it. But when it becomes work, things become a little different. So then you have to look at what are your opportunities. Are you able to generate that kind of opportunity for yourself जहाँ पे आपको earning मिल रहा है, and उस opportunity के लिए you are competing with लैक्स ऑफ पीपल इन इंडिया जो वही चीज के लिए पीछे पड़ रहे हैं. हम लोग डीआईडी देख चुके हैं, सब लोग ने डीआईडी का फर्स्ट सेकंड सीजन रेगुलरली देखा है. उसमें हमने देखा है कि वो ऑडिशन के टाइम पे कितना भी स्टेज हो, कितना भी कैसा भी हो, बट देयर आर crowd, that huge crowd at one single center, and eventually all of them are coming together to be amongst the top 50 all over India. तो उधर तक पहुंचने के लिए either you are extremely talented, but you also have to be extremely connected.
अच्छा.
वो है इंडिया में. Like it's not so simple कि आप सिर्फ टैलेंट की बेसिस पे बहुत आगे तक जाओगे, unless you get an opportunity.
See, a lot of it is to be at the right place at the right time. Yeah, that thing is there. So थोड़ा सा demotivity दिखा होती है.
But demotivating की बात नहीं. It's a fact. It's a reality.
But I also feel that आज के day and age में social media where it's such a big thing, the correct way to go about it is learn a lot. Go to people जो सिखाते हैं, attend lots of workshops, be very dedicated. Yeah, talent can take you to till a certain point. उसके आगे आपको सिर्फ हार्ड वर्क लेकर जाता है. So you have to give it everything. And like I said, social media की वजह से I have seen so many people just because of their Instagram page, just because of that particular page they got to where they were. A lot of names like that Harsh fellow, एक choreography उसका इतना famous हो गया that Remo D'Souza, all of them are dancing with him because of that one choreography.
But sorry to interrupt. Harshvardhan became famous with that one dance. पर उसके पहले उसने कितना किया होगा?
I agree. So मेहनत तो बहुत है.
बहुत मेहनत है. हम लोग जानते वो भले वो 50 जन को जान रहे हो, 50 जन के पीछे 5,000 50,000 जन अभी भी है जो एफर्ट कर रहे हैं. So the whole point is when you are trying to make it a profession is when things get tricky. अगर आप as a passion कर रहे हो along with your other source of earning, then it's fun and games. But अगर आपने सिर्फ इस पे डिपेंड होना है for your earning, for your daily livelihood, then it's a very very difficult challenge.
Competitive work.
Because injury prone भी है थोड़ा सा. अगर आप competitive dancing करोगे तो उसमें injuries होने हैं. कभी ना कभी कोई muscle pull होगा, that is how you grow. But जब pull होगा तभी आपका dancing बंद होगा, earning बंद हो जाएगा. So I know I'm not trying to demotivate, but reality check होना जरूरी है. डांस की बेस पे जिंदगी जी सकते हो क्या? That is a huge question mark. It depends.
Age भी आता है. You have a fitness age to be able to do a lot of crazy things. मतलब आप 50 साल के हो, आप jump नहीं कर सकते हो, ऊपर से नीचे और that.
उस टाइम में हड्डी टूटा तो it will take longer
to come out of it. So those kind of things also need to be taken care of. If like अगर आप बोल रहे हो एक youngster है और आप क्या advice दोगे, तो you have to start early. You have to work very hard. You have to pray every day that you are in the right place at the right time. And then if you are picked up, you are exposed, correct exposure, correct सब कुछ correct लोग देख ले आपको, so then you might just make it, But I think that's with any entertainment industry.
But now also a good thing is that for a non-demotivated is that there are colleges and schools who are giving degrees in dance and arts.
Yeah.
In India also.
अच्छा.
So Nalanda है, for example, internationally तो है ही. So if you don't want to go internationally, India में भी opportunities open up हो रही है. You can genuinely do a degree in a specific dance form or in music.
It's been a while.
Yeah, it's all coming into limelight now. So internationally तो बहुत टाइम से है ही. इंडिया में मुझे अभी पता चल रहा है. But so music बोलो या dance बोलो, arts में है. Arts का तो we know, but even in these forms now they are getting degrees. And people can, literally learn, certify themselves and teach if you want to teach.
Right.
So वो भी तुम्हारा एक professional angle आ जाता है.
So universities like Nalanda, like he said, so you can do your BA and MA in dancing.
Okay.
That is your major subject. Those are the exams you are a proper masters in that, and that's a proper MA degree, government recognized degree. So that can be one career option. That can be one way of earning money out of that.
And what is the hardest dance form जो आपको अभी तक लगा?
मेरे लिए contemporary नहीं हो पाता. Contemporary for me is very difficult because it's my base has been freestyle and a little bit of hip hop and jazz.
Okay, what is contemporary? How is it different from
I'll tell you.
freestyle?
So when I'm talking about my base is hip hop and freestyle, तो उसमें कैसा होता है? It's more of like cut flowing movements ज़्यादा नहीं होते. Contemporary is all about flow.
Okay.
अभी I might be absolutely wrong for people who are listening to you. They might say कि contemporary ये नहीं है वो नहीं है, but
that's your interpretation.
My interpretation of contemporary is वहाँ पे बहुत flowy होता है, emotional dance होते हैं, you are feeling the music. वो मेरे से flowing movements इतना easily नहीं होते. I've tried to get better with it, but सबसे डिफिकल्ट जब मेरे को कोई बोलते कंटेम्प्रेरी फॉर्म करना है तो मैं थोड़ा एक स्टेप पीछे ले लेता. एंड ऑब्वियसली क्लासिकल डांसिंग मैंने कभी ट्राई ही नहीं किया है, सो आई डोंट नो अबाउट दैट. बट या फॉर मी कंटेम्प्रेरी इज थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट. एंड b-boy, I don't want to break my head.
अच्छा हाँ नहीं
I've tried b-boy. I
अच्छा.
tried it for a couple of months in Siam. किया था, but then I just felt that I'm just too big and heavy for that. So
हाँ
I stuck to my
ऑल योर
place.
बॉडी वेट ऑन योर हेड.
Yeah,
तो फिर वो
everything on my head, on my arms, वो सब दुखने लगे और ऐसे ही घर पे ऐसे लटक के आता था. like मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा.
डांस के चक्कर में फ्रैक्चर हो गया तो. एंड फॉर यू मतलब what do you think is the most difficult dance form?
Ironically, hip hop. So I'm like, I need flowing movements. I need to
Okay.
feel the music. You know, my base is that.
हाँ,
So for me to do cut is like, क्या
So
है?
you should
It's
see,
too
you should
mechanical.
be around India choreography.
हाँ.
It is war zone. हम लोग बस एक दूसरे को मारने से बचे, बस और कुछ नहीं. Because my concept of choreography, her concept of choreography is very different. And that is why when our dances come together, it comes out to be something unique. हम लोग बहुत बॉलीवुड यूज करते हैं because Bollywood is something that is very common for both of us.
And Bollywood is essentially a culmination of everything.
Everything,
सब
yeah.
कुछ आ जाता है.
So बॉलीवुड अगर हमने कर लिया साथ में तो वो चीज हम लोग साथ में कर सकते हैं. लैटिन बॉलीवुड हम लोग साथ में कर सकते हैं. लेकिन जब इंडिविजुअल कोरियोग्राफीज की बात आती है तो इसका डांस में मेरा डांस को होगा वेरी डिफरेंट. लाइक मैं पूरा एफर्ट डाल के आधा घंटा कोरियोग्राफी में शिशी को दिखाऊंगा. लाइक नहीं कर सकते. लाइक क्या है, मैंने इतना मेहनत किया है, बट दैट इज हाउ इट गोइंग, यू नो. सो
या बिकॉज मतलब एक तो मुझे डांस का कोई एक्सपोजर नहीं है. एंड लाइक फॉर पीपल हु डोंट हैव एक्सपोजर, व्हेन वी सी लाइक अ डिफरेंट डांस, अभी कोई भी गाना फेमस होता है उसके बहुत सारे रीजंस आते हैं. मूव्स फेमस हो जाते हैं ना. तो समटाइम्स आई वंडर कि ये कैसे सोचा होगा ये.
I know. आपके हम भी यही सोचते कि यार ये सोचा कैसे उसने? How did he think of this step? Like that Vicky Kaushal तौबा. That step is
कहाँ से
so
आया वो step?
unique.
कहाँ से आया?
It's such a unique step. No. So yeah. तो हम
it's all creation यार. मतलब it's like how you create art piece.
हाँ.
वो आर्ट तुमको समझेगा एक तरह से, किसी और को अलग तरह से समझेगा. तो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट आर्ट बोलते हैं. वैसे ही डांस था समवेयर इन दैट फॉर्म ओनली. लाइक मेरे दिमाग में उस टाइम पे क्या चल रहा था, क्या माइंडसेट था, मुझे ही पता है. बाकी लोगों को स्टेप दिख रही है, उसके पीछे का क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस हर एक का बहुत अलग है. सो वी कैन नेवर पुट आवरसेल्व्स इन देयर शूज. वी हैव टू बी आवर ओन क्रिएटर्स, यू नो. ओरिजिनलिटी उधर से आएगा. कॉपी करने में तो सब लोग कर सकते हैं, बट इफ यू वांट टू क्रिएट अ स्टेप यू हैव टू बी इन दैट जोन. और तभी जो निकलेगा वो निकल गया, ऐसा है.
एंड व्हाट इज द बेस्ट वे टू डू दैट?
म्यूजिक, जस्ट लिसन टू म्यूजिक एंड लेट योर बॉडी मूव. फॉर हर एंड फॉर मी बोथ. हम लोग गाना सुनते, मैं बैठे बैठे कोरियोग्राफ मन में करता ये उठ के करती, दैट्स ओनली डिफरेंस. बट गाना जब बजता है, कभी जस्ट डोंट सी द वीडियोस, जस्ट थिंक ऑफ द, लिसन टू द सॉन्ग एंड फील इट, एंड योर बॉडी विल फाइंड समथिंग एंड देन यू tune it, fine tune it.
But to come to this stage also it takes time.
It takes-
So you have
Right.
you have to, like I said, the correct way to go about it is first learn. जिनको आता है उनसे आप सीखो. It's like कहीं भी कुछ भी पढ़ाई कर रहे हो आप, कुछ सीखा है आप सीखो, and then you make it your own. You know, you grab the basics from there. ये म्यूजिक को मैं कैसे कर सकता हूँ, ये हाफ म्यूजिक को मैं कैसे ले सकता हूँ, इसमें मैं 4 steps कैसे डाल सकता हूँ instead of 1 step. You know, so you learn from a lot of people. And then you make it your
Then you
own.
mix and
खुद
match
का
and
style आप
combine.
बनाओ उसमें से. So for me, that's what usually most of the time works. You know, I see a lot of people, I see a lot of choreographies, and then I think कि हम मेरे को शायद ये अच्छा लग रहा है, and then I completely modify it according to how वो उसके जैसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं दिखेगा. It just gives me that first point कि हाँ ऐसा कर सकते हैं कुछ. You know. And surprisingly, I think most of my thoughts and मेरा जो view vision आता है वो सोते समय आता है. जब रन में स्टोरी होती है तब ये सब all this is going on in my head and then I get up and I try.
अच्छा ये अच्छा ऐसा भी होता है कि अरे कुछ एक जैसे an idea comes to your mind.
तो तभी की तभी वो एग्जीक्यूट माइंड में हो जाता है.
हाँ, and then you try it out and
Then Molly
you
and then let's try this, let's do this.
I'm like what?
ये नया डांस स्टेप मिला है, we can do this because like logically if you see dance, if somebody is learning, तो the first step is mimicking.
Yeah.
है ना, to learn तो आपको थोड़ा
देखने के पहले वो सीखो.
वो सीखो.
वही है, that's the
हाँ.
try करना है.
But to create something new, a very big part of the whole process probably is unlearning what you
No.
already know.
But to reach the stage of unlearning, you have to first learn.
Learn.
Learn, yeah.
मतलब वही तरीका है. तुम डायरेक्टली
Unlearn तो वो तो नहीं होगा.
Like even hip hop, for example, has a curriculum. Like they
अच्छा.
teach hip hop as a subject, and उसमें like level 1, level 2, level 3, they have set steps that have been put up. कि ये old school है कि steps है, ये modern hip hop के steps, and then those steps you then eventually incorporate in your dance and utilize.
So
Right?
this is talking about hip hop.
Hip hop. Same thing on Latin ballroom. Yeah.
You know, if you're doing salsa,
They have name for these steps.
your
also.
basic steps, your this, that. Then ऐसे ही point आता है कि चलो अब ये step पहुंच जाओगे, then you can do anything from here. You know, then you can start creating your own thing. But those steps, those alphabets are required to be able to make sentences.
It helps you understand the basis of that dance or the essence of that dance. Once you pick up the essence of a specific dance, you can recreate it in your own way. Like Bollywood का essence क्या है यार? मतलब there is no way to explain it. But when you start dancing to it, you understand हाँ ये तो Bollywood ही है. वो करने पे वो it just ticks. Yeah ये Bollywood है. Actually no, I can't put it in words. कि Bollywood मतलब ऐसा 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 ये step है वैसा नहीं है.
Unless you are competing, जब अगर आप you don't need to stick to a defined thing. Also, like for us also, Vaswan and I, हमारा choreographies are essentially Bollywood. इसमें Latin ballroom आता है. Since you know we are trained in all of that. We do a lot of salsa, bachata, hip hop. There's a little bit of classical thing. You know,
वही
the
दाल चावल with
elements.
our own masala.
Yeah, so that's our dance. That's our style. That's you will see all our choreographies are like that. Because वो हम लोग दोनों का जो भी अलग अलग क्वालिटीज है वो मिलके ये बन गए.
प्योर डांस तो बहुत लोग करते हैं. We wanted something unique.
Yeah, we
कि हम
wanted
लोग
something
क्या कर रहे तो
ours.
कोई और नहीं कर रहा है.
हाँ.
That's where it started. And obviously, because we both dance together, there's always a little bit of interaction between us also. So we try to incorporate all these things in a choreography to make it unique.
And then how easy or difficult. Now तो आपने तो वो stages already पार कर लिया कि you have learned some styles of dancing. Then how difficult or easy is it to unlearn it? या उसके लिए भी practice लगता ही है कि
So, see, I'll tell you what. There is not too much of unlearning as such. You have to just modify it. Like अभी for example salsa का एक forward back basic step है. वही तुमको अगर Bollywood style पे करे तो hand movements थोड़े बहुत उसमें incorporate कर लोगे. फिर तो आप body movements थोड़ा सा change कर लोगे. So it's mixing and matching more than unlearning.
right, okay.
So मतलब तुमको ये भूल के ऐसा नहीं करना है, पर उसी को लेके साथ चल.
मतलब आपका फुटवर्क शायद वही रहेगा.
हाँ.
बट आप ऊपर क्या कर रहे हो, आपका
Your
फेस क्या
expression
कर
will
रहा
change,
है,
yeah.
you know. एंड वो सपोज सालसा में मैं फॉरवर्ड बैक के बाद में नेक्स्ट स्टेप यही करूंगी, बट यहाँ मैं ये नहीं करूंगी. दैट्स हाउ इट विल लुक डिफरेंट. सो इट्स नॉट like he said, it's not unlearning, it's a lot of modification.
It's basically a lot of trial and error, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
We for coming to a choreography, हम लोग इतने सारे स्टेप जनरेट हुए, उसमें 3 कोरियोग्राफीज बन जाएगी, लेकिन हम लोग उसमें से फिर ये ट्राई करेंगे, वो ट्राई करेंगे, and you see what is going well with the music, what is looking good on us, and then we pick those steps.
In fact, in the end also choreography हो भी जाता है. We've shot, we have seen,
Then you
देख के
still
भी
keep
नहीं
changing
change it कि नहीं ये नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, we want to change this, you know, and then we will change it
फिर
again.
शूटिंग में सब भूल जाते.
so yeah, but that happens कि यार नहीं ये what we thought जैसा दिखना चाहिए वैसा नहीं दिखता है. So we will change the step at that time. So वो तो होता ही.
मतलब this is like ठीक है, we should encourage people for to dance and everything, but this sheer insane amount of effort
It looks difficult,
people
but I am telling you, it is so much fun.
हाँ.
जब एंड में होता है ना, it's a journey.
you should do
It's
for the
a
fun of
journey.
it. Yeah.
जो हम लोग वो रोज जितना भी like अभी we are not dancing as much as we used to with the sun, with our work, and थोड़ा life always comes
Up and down
Yeah,
होता
yeah.
रहता
we don't
है.
stop. It's just that it's not as frequent, and we probably get back to it someday. But whenever we are doing a dance, like हमारा शो आ रहा है, तो हम लोग अच्छा 10-15 दिन पहले शुरू करते हैं मिनिमम,
Okay.
so that we can practice. तो वो जो पूरा जर्नी है, first creating, fighting, coming back together, making a choreography, practicing it, changing it, making it better, उसमें जो मजा आती है, you can't replace it. Nothing takes away from that. No screen can replace that. You know? तो that personal time, तुम खुद के बॉडी पे फोकस करो या फिर तुम्हारे पार्टनर के साथ फोकस करो, यू आर डूइंग समथिंग टुगेदर, इज इट बिल्ड्स अप योर लाइफ in a very different way. It's not the end product, but the entire journey itself changes you.
Also, you guys mentioned that you guys have a studio. So where is your studio and how can people?
So it's called the Phoenix Dance Studio.
Okay.
No connection with any other Felix.
Okay.
It's just my passion with Felix, and it's at Devnar, It's just close to BRC, Chembur, BR के बीच में ही है. It's on the highway. You can just search the Phoenix Dance Studio and you will get it on Google.
हाँ.
And it's very close to where we stay. Very close to where we work. So same building में हमारा work भी है, studio भी है, जो हमारा job भी है. So it's all.
It's our little life
It's
over
a
there.
life.
Right. Amazing. And so, who amongst the Indian dancers, बोलो पहले, who is your favorite dancer? All-time favorite?
Might be cliched, but Hrithik Roshan definitely.
है ना?
Then ऋतिक रोशन मतलब कोई भी कितना भी अच्छा कर ले, कंपैरिजन ऋतिक रोशन के साथ ही होता है. क्यों? बिकॉज ही सेट दैट बार सो हाई व्हेन ही केम इनटू द बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री. तभी डांसिंग था, लेकिन उस टाइप का डांसिंग ही चेंज्ड इट इन माय व्यू. ऋतिक रोशन चेंज द सीन कंप्लीटली. एंड अभी भी डांस का बात हो तो ऋतिक रोशन मेंशन नहीं होगा, ऐसा हो ही सकता. एंड बीच में ऐसा फेज आते हुए क्या ऋतिक रोशन क्या है, ठीक है. बट देन एक बार ऐसा हुआ वेयर आई सॉ हिम अप क्लोज एंड लिटरली मेरे अंदर से ऐसे आंसू आ रहे थे. लाइक आई वाज क्राइंग विद इट. लाइक आई वाज सो ओवरवेल्म्ड विद दैट.
good.
मतलब आई एम दैट मच इन लव विद हिम.
Obviously.
मैं उसको ये बोलता हूँ,
fan.
मैं उसको ये बोलता कि ही इज वन पर्सन आई कैन टर्न गे फॉर. बट जोक्स अपार्ट, लाइक आई रियली लुक अप टू
Yeah.
what he has set an image of himself. अभी रियल में इंसान कैसा है we don't know him personally, but जो image है ऋतिक रोशन, the image created ऋतिक रोशन, that is
And especially for dance.
Dance,
for
yeah,
dance,
for dance.
absolutely.
मतलब it's like very
Dance, fitness,
surprising because an actor
Yeah.
being talked about as the best dancers of all time.
Yeah,
वो
yeah.
थोड़ा
अलग हो जाता है.
हाँ अलग हो जाता
That is
है.
that again breaking stereotypes. What we are talking about, breaking stereotypes. Like actor है तो डांस कैसे अच्छा करेगा, गाना कैसे गाएगा, वो सब चेंज हो रहा है अभी. He sings also, he sung also so many songs.
हाँ, he sings also.
So वही है यार, you just explore yourself.
And it's not even the step. Like अगर आपको same step किसी और को करते हुए देखोगे, and then Hrithik does it, I think the way he owns that step and the way he does it in his body, it looks very different. अब same step, like वो घुंघरू वाला normal step, the way he's moving it now, simple step यार, सिर्फ आर्म ऊपर कर रहा है. पर जब वो ऋतिक करता है ना, वो कुछ अलग ही दिखता है, you know. It
And
looks
lot of people feel कि अरे ऋतिक रोशन तो नेचुरल टैलेंट है, उस तक कहाँ से पहुंचेंगे, पर ऐसा नहीं है.
very
He
hard.
really works very hard to be where he is. I think initial stage में after his first movie का होना प्यारे के बाद में फराह खान had once told in an interview when she was talking about Hrithik Roshan, like she said this exact same thing. If people feel that he is naturally talented but it's not so easy for him to get certain steps, he will practice those steps for hours together to be able to show it the way it
it
is.
looks.
Like so she has said कि effortless दिखता है क्योंकि उसके पीछे इतना सारा effort जा चुका है.
Yeah, I think she was talking for You Are My Sonia का वो choreograph कर रही थी. then उसका
And
bit
वो जो
था.
step था ना, वो जो उसका ऋतिक का फिनाले डांस में एक वो वेव करता है, बहुत solid है.
हाँ, I
हम
remember
सबने
that,
try
yeah,
किया है,
yeah.
copy करके.
मानो दिल मेरा वाला
तो
part.
she said that was not even the best. He was not even happy with the finale. और कैसे better हो सकता है यार इससे, but he was even not happy with that.
Yeah.
मतलब
अरे हाँ.
he is
He's
such a
worked
perfectionist.
very hard. I think that's why we like him so much. That's why
he's never
there.
satisfied with what he has already. He always wants more, and that is what drives you to do better in life.
जैसे मैंने कहा, टैलेंट तो यार आप गिफ्टेड होते हो, किसी को है किसी को नहीं है. इट्स हार्ड वर्क दैट इज इन योर कंट्रोल.
Exactly.
And how hard you work can get you where you are.
Hard work always overpowers talent.
Talent, absolutely.
That's a good quote. Hard work always overpowers talent.
Yeah,
That's a
yeah,
good one.
If sorry, you might have to edit this, but if Katrina Kaif can act now, then anybody can do anything.
Dude, act and dance.
And dance.
She can dance. She was
Sorry,
an
if you want to edit this,
absolute
please edit it.
अरे नहीं. It's a good material. वो तो क्या है? It's our personal opinion. We can
And
say
on
that.
No, but even she, I think she's also amongst the same category. बहुत hard
Hardworking.
She's gone from an absolute non-dancer, जब वो just chill वाला एक normal basic non-dancer step she couldn't do properly, and then she moved to do a song like
Kamli.
Kamli, where what a dance she's done, you know. So again, it's sheer hard work. It's not talent. I don't think she's talented as a dancer, but she's worked very
Extremely
hard, very hard.
And same with Hrithik Roshan in terms of acting.
हाँ.
In terms of acting, he was not a very good actor.
ऋतिक रोशन.
Yeah, you see his early movies, ये क्या है, actor है. And then
Easy is referring to मैं प्रेम की दीवार.
oh yes, definitely.
वो अभी उसका ऐसा उसके इतने ये बने
Memes
हैं,
बने हैं.
रोस्ट बने हैं,
Oh my
रोस्ट
God.
वीडियोस बने
But
हैं.
then you watch Guzarish, you watch War. मतलब अभी के recent movies में his acting change हो गया.
कि कहो ना प्यार है दैट लाइक सेट अ बार कि हाँ नहीं, ही इज अ गुड एक्टर. उसके बाद फिर ऋतिक रोशन ने आके हक दिया
हाँ, बहुत
ज्यादा कि मतलब वो ऐसा.
But then that's also
हाँ.
hard work and dedication. You do one thing long enough, you automatically become good at it. You might not be the best, but you'll be good at it. Best होने के लिए हाँ, there are a lot of things need to come together, but best के लिए हम करना ही नहीं हमें.
And who's your favorite dancer?
I have taken Hrithik.
अरे ये क्या बात हुई?
Yes, take a minute. You can't say the same.
Same birthday.
So yeah.
अच्छा.
Jan to Jan.
अरे क्या बात.
We celebrate our birthdays together. So chalo, I'll go for non-mainstream. So again, I think I mentioned it earlier. Ritika, foreigner Ritika would do on her.
अच्छा.
Ritika is the word. I really look up to her. She is a bachata dancer. And the way she moves her body, oh my god. She is my aspiration. I want to be able to move like her. She's fantastic. So they have started their own Conry Bachata style, their own style now, which they are taking internationally. And she's somebody I really look up to.
And like internationally, ऐसा favorite of all time.
Dancing में actually बहुत सारे हैं, but I
Like if we had to take one name, like Michael Jackson.
वो तो माइकल जैक्सन तो माइकल
वो तो
जैक्सन
अलग ही है.
मतलब
he's not a person, he's an
God.
entity now.
Yeah, he's God. You can't like उनको compare नहीं कर सकते.
So I really like watching Channing Tatum dance. Although he doesn't dance that much now, but in the movie Step Up में जो उसने dance किया था Channing Tatum का the way he danced was really, I really like it.
What was his name that you used to see वो Unity University or the campus Mamta each watch? What's his name? You understood more, right? How
हाँ Kyle Hannigan.
Kyle Hannigan.
He's a choreographer.
Yeah, he's amazing. क्या dance करता है यार. You can't look away for a
So
second.
he's a celebrity choreographer. He choreographs these dances.
Kyle Hannigan, you can look him up on Instagram. Amazing.
His workshops are crazy. Variety of dancers have come out from his under him and have become huge
now.
in their own aspect. All these ये लोग सब मतलब मूवीज में भी आते हैं. जैसे इंडिया में कैसे ABCD के जैसे हुआ था वैसे वहाँ पे तो है ही कल्चर पर. All of them have graduated from there to grow into their own name.
But even that couple that we were talking about today, they're fantastic dancers. The ballet dancer and
Jasmine and James.
no
नहीं.
आज जिस पर देते हैं जो सूट में डांस करते हैं.
हाँ B-Dash and
B-Dash, yeah.
Merin.
Something I don't know his wife's name.
So
Again,
they are
couple,
Instagram and TikTok
Okay.
fame basically.
but they are amazing. So that's because of Instagram, the kind of people that we have come across, they're at another level, yeah. And we know that's where aspirational है कि यार ये करना है किसी दिन.
मतलब perfection.
Amazing.
हम लोग के डांसेस में कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ दिखा कि यार ये परफेक्ट बेस्ट शॉट था कि उसमें हाँ मैंने ये थोड़ा गड़बड़ किया, मैंने वो गड़बड़ किया. उन लोग के इसमें you'll keep looking कुछ गड़बड़ दिखा नहीं. It's at a different level.
So these people we really look up.
And mainstream में like Bollywood बोल लो या dance तो ठीक है. If like that person is a dancer तो I am assuming you अच्छा ही dance करेगा. But Bollywood involves a lot of dance, right? तो उसमें who's the worst dancer?
Worst.
अरे नहीं,
बहुत सारे. मैंने इसके लिए जानबूझ के पूछा.
अभय देओल. Abhay Deol is very bad.
We've seen
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. Senorita, the song Senorita. उसमें ऋतिक नाच रहा है. Farhan Akhtar who's also a decent dancer and Abhay Deol. बेचारा I feel bad for Abhay Deol. That is put next to Hrithik Roshan and Farhan Akhtar.
ऐसे torture किया है.
He might be a decent dancer. शादी वादी में अच्छा डांस करता रहेगा लेकिन वहाँ पे तो my God you can see it. You can see his struggle in the movie. Like ऐसा नहीं कि वो final shot में भी वो struggle कर रहा है. So definitely Abhay Deol we really like him. But
हाँ नहीं worst dancer
and
might be a good person but worst dancer.
difficult बोल दिया.
So mainstream में Katrina was one of the worst dancers.
पहले
She was very bad. मतलब वो music कहीं और जा रहा है, वो कहीं और dance करी completely off. But of course now she's very good. She's worked really hard and she's very good. So she was one of the best. Like if you see Just Chill, that वो वाला dance, oh my god. मतलब मैं देख नहीं सकती हूँ. It's that
And
bad.
obviously I think the senior Khans उसमें से खास करके अजय देवगन is not a good dancer.
अच्छा तो उन dance
तो
करता
उनको
भी
डांस कराते नहीं
कराते
है. नाउ मूवी में they have to filter हम सच में कि अच्छा दिखना चाहिए तो डांस ही नहीं कराते. But डांस करा के
सलमान खान.
खराब करने वालों में से
Even Salman Khan is not a good dancer. वो
we're going to
style-
offend a lot of people, but
ना अरे
No, but I don't think he's a good dancer. He just,
Yeah,
I
he's a
think he
bad
just has a style quotient. He'll come, he'll do one step. Even that recent song where Disha Patni goes to that, no, Disha Patni is a good dancer. Like, she, and Kunal को कोई तो एक गाने में किया, she was, I think, absolutely dumbed down कर दिया था steps ताकि she could dance with him,
With him.
ताकि they could share the screen space, you know.
तो सलमान खान के बारे में who had spoken, I think Farhan Akhtar only had spoken, I don't remember exactly who had spoken, this is long back, peak Bollywood time in लोग का.
हाँ
तो someone had said कि सलमान खान is the true star.
हाँ
वो जब सेट पे आएगा मतलब तभी स्टार आ गया ऐसा वाला फीलिंग आता है. एंड डांस करने के टाइम भी जो भी कोरियोग्राफी रहेगा वो सब चेंज होने होगा. वो स्टेप चेंज अपने हिसाब से ही करता है कि ये स्टेप मैंने कहा मैं ये स्टेप करूँ. तो सलमान खान वही करेगा तो सलमान खान करना चाहता है. दैट्स व्हाट वी हर्ड ऑब्वियसली.
बीच में वो रोस्ट निकला था ना कि रोस्ट निकलते रहते हैं पैरोडी वीडियोस निकलते रहते हैं तो उसमें एक कोरियोग्राफर सलमान खान को बोल रहा है भाई ऐसे ऐसे करना है तो भाई बताए ऐसे ऐसे करूँ क्या तो इट्स हिलेरियस मतलब द वे
उसका कुछ तो बेस रहेगा ना उधर तक पहुंचने के लिए कुछ तो सही रहेगा उसमें.
Yeah, so he's one of the bad dancers.
and also this is an interesting question who is so bad that he is good
Oh my god.
कि ये इतना मतलब खराब डांस करता है कि इसको देख के लेकिन मजा बहुत आता ऐसे कोई है क्या
बॉलीवुड में आई डोंट नो
Yeah, I don't know.
ऐसे कोई इट्स नॉट कमिंग ऑफ.
अच्छा ओके
Do you have someone in mind?
नहीं आई तो हैव लाइक एब्सोल्युटली नो फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरेंस फॉर डांसिंग मैं तो बस देख के अपना अपना निकल लेता हूँ
हम लोग आई थिंक इन लाइक डांस जब आता है ना बहुत ज्यादा we take it too seriously.
very serious about it.
So it's very difficult for us to find a non-dancer मतलब जो बहुत खराब कर रहा है. I don't think हम लोग उनको categorize ही कर पाएंगे.
and why I asked you is
maybe at some point Kartik Aaryan was not a good dancer
हाँ ओके
at some point but अभी he's also but वैसा इतना खराब नहीं था वो कभी भी. I don't know ऐसा कोई नहीं आ रहा.
I think अभी तो ऐसा हो गया कि आप बॉलीवुड में आ रहे हो तो डांस सीख के ही आ रहे हो.
हाँ.
you know? और एक जन
अभी
वो
dance has
ट्रेनिंग
become
कर
a
ही लेता
necessity.
है यार. मतलब yeah,
नहीं बिकॉज मैंने इसके लिए पूछा कि लाइक देर आर लाइक इट इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू डांस इट्स रिलेटेड टू मूवीज बट लाइक इफ यू सी वो मिथुन का गुंडा मूवी इट्स सो बैड दैट इट्स
so bad that it's good. I agree. Yes. मिथुन
या फिर
मिथुन
केआर
चक्रवर्ती, how can you forget?
के देशद्रोही ऐसे मतलब लाइफ में आप अगर डिप्रेस हो जाओगे ना तो देशद्रोही लगा लेना
कि ये अगर मूवी बना
ये
सकता है
मूवी
तो हम
बना
लोग कुछ
सकता
भी
है
कर सकते हैं.
हम कुछ वी आर सक्सेसफुल ऑलरेडी तो अपने लाइफ में तो बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है यार ये इसको क्या जरूरत पड़ गई ये सब करने की तो
See that movie? देशद्रोही देखी है क्या?
अरे जब भी ऐसे लाइफ में आई फील लो आए सी देशद्रोही
मैं देखना पड़ेगा भाई को.
यू हैवंट सीन
मैंने थोड़ा
देशद्रोही
थोड़ा देखा है पूरा नहीं देखा है. नहीं देख पाया यार.
उसमें डांस देखो उस बंदे का यू सी द डांस
वही होगा फिर.
यार
So
हमने अचीव कर लिया लाइफ
Yeah,
में.
वही होगा. So we know such people in personal life who are not that famous, who are so bad that
they are good.
That they're good. कि यार ये डांस कर रहा है स्टेज पे इतने कॉन्फिडेंस से तो ठीक है हम लोग सही कर रहे हैं.
कर
हाँ मिल गया हम लोग को मोक्ष मिल गया है.
sometimes motivation comes from unexpected sources
I
है
agree. Absolutely.
ऐसा
So that personally we know such people, but not all.
आ जाओ then so what was the most memorable performance of your life up till now
So this was a performance that Srishti and I were asked to do for the International Pediatric Academy (IPA). So IPA का गुजरात में in India they were having a award fest. IPA is obviously international. And my dad, who has been the president of Indian Academy of Pediatrics, was the president of that specific congress. And he gave us the opportunity कि बाबा अच्छा stage है अहमदाबाद में है, you guys perform and put up the best dance that you all can. So Srishti and I,
we worked really hard. So
we worked for 2 months. At least 2 months we were choreographing
for those
6 and a half minutes.
for those 6
and a
minutes
half
you have
minutes.
worked for 2 months
Yeah, and 6.5 minutes in terms of dancing is a lot of time.
It's a lot of time.
We had 5 or 6 songs
6 different
in
songs.
that. Maybe some were just 30 seconds, some were 1.5 minute. पर हमने बहुत सारे styles एक
Correct.
इसमें
So
किया
we
है.
did we did Latin ballroom, we did अपना
Hardcore Bollywood.
नाटू किया,
Hardcore Bollywood,
we tried
Tollywood,
to-
सब किया है,
yeah,
हाँ?
we tried to grab the essence of an
We
Indian dancing.
changed costumes in between dancing.
On
मतलब
stage.
on stage costume changes हो रहे थे. Like that was, I think, the most ambitious
Yeah,
project for
choreography
us.
that you'd done.
It was a turn point for us as dancing doctors, where मतलब वो 6.5 मिनट
हाँ,
लाइफ चेंजिंग था वो.
हाँ.
And so that happened where we went on stage. अहमदाबाद हम लोग literally वो डांस करने के लिए गए थे. We were not even part of the
And my
concert.
son was like a year and a half old.
Yeah.
पहली बार.
अरे बाप.
So
तो उसको छोड़ के जाना.
overnight भी नहीं छोड़ सकते. तो literally we went to Gujarat for those 2 hours.
And we flew
We
back.
danced and we flew back in
We
the night
ran.
because yeah.
बहुत यार
preparation.
भागे हम लोग एयरपोर्ट के लिए कि फ्लाइट मिस ना हो, you know, इतना. लाइक मैं तो बोला कि नेक्स्ट डे आते हैं, मॉम विल टेक केयर. नहीं, मैं माँ हूँ, मैं आऊंगी वापस. इससे भी मैं आऊंगी. So that, but again, in that performance, one thing that really mattered to us was कि same stage after us was going to be taken over by Shankar Mahadevan and his son Siddharth Mahadevan.
हाँ, right.
Siddharth Mahadevan. They were going to sing. एंड हम लोग का जो परफॉर्मेंस हुआ, हम लोग स्टेज से नीचे आ रहे, हम लोग ऐसे थक के आ रहे, वाला हाफ
सब कुछ दे दिया है,
हाफ में थे हम लोग, स्टेज पे छोड़ के आए अपने आप को.
हाँ.
एंड वी वॉकिंग डाउन द स्टेप्स ऑफ द स्टेज एंड वहां खड़े शंकर महादेवन सामने. एंड वी केम डाउन दैट इज सर एंड ही लाइक very nice dance. He stopped us and like, "Arey, very nice dance and superb. You guys have done a good job and keep it up. Very good." And उधर ऐसा उधर that energy came back.
कान चला गया, हाँ.
वापस जाएंगे स्टेज पे, वापस नाचेंगे. अभी तो बोला
सर, एक
किसने
मिनट,
तो.
हम वापस
आप
जाएंगे.
वापस आओ, हम लोग वापस नाचेंगे.
2 मिनट.
So that
Amazing,
really-
yeah.
And at that time we were nothing. Like Shankar Mahadevan ke अंदर we are still nobody's only. And for him to admire someone,
To acknowledge that-
being at that level where they are already exposed to so much talent, it was a big thing. तो क्यों बोलेगा यार, उसको क्या जरूरत है?
Why would he
किसी को
even
बात देने
care?
की? He doesn't have to care. And that performance was later on which got a little bit of a boom in our dancing doctor's page and थोड़ा सा recognition मिला. He met a lot of people and so that was a turning point for us as dancing doctor. It gave us confidence कि हम लोग कर रहे हैं कुछ तो. उसके पहले बहुत सारे वीडियोस थे, they started getting likes and views, so you know वो अच्छा था. That was a very very memorable performance and अभी भी हम लोग कभी भी लगता है we are still trying to match up to that. We've done performances after that, पर हम लोग वही सोचे कि यार वैसा होना चाहिए.
that was our Everest.
That was Everest. हम लोग को वापस वहाँ जाना है. So अभी next हम लोग को hopefully we are trying.
हाँ, what's next? What's
So,
next in store for you
Our
guys?
studio has an annual show. So this is just the second year actually. It started last year with Vayu.
Okay.
And Vayu 2025 will be happening this year in May. So अभी उसका preparations करेंगे and obviously it's our own show. So we both want to shine. मतलब हम लोग करना ही है. And
We put in a lot of
we put a lot of heart and soul into that. And हमारे instructors बहुत सारे here हैं. We don't teach much. We have instructors teaching different dance forms in our dance studio. So our dance studio basically caters to any dance form. Like if they approach me, if they are good, you take it. मेरे को ऐसा नहीं कि you have to be known to be able to teach at my studio. तुम आओ, सिखाओ. नहीं हुआ तो हुआ. There's nothing to do. It's our space. So all of them come together. We work together as a team. Students को stage मिलता है. Instructors को stage मिलता है कुछ show के लिए.
Right.
We get a stage for our performance. And also we invite a few unique talents from in and around. Not always very well known, but we try to give a stage to people who will make use of it. That is Vayu.
जैसे आपने कहा celebrity तो सब जगह होते हैं.
हाँ.
You know, those people it's easier for them to get a stage.
Exactly.
Vayu is a platform for people who want to go. जहाँ उनको opportunity नहीं मिलता है, we are providing the opportunity.
Right. Amazing.
So that's next for us as dancing doctor. And उसके लिए भी preparation चालू करेंगे.
And we're planning to take some workshops also.
For
now.
workshop for that.
Some dance workshops.
तो वर्कशॉप से भी जो सीखेंगे will also get a stage at Kerala. तो एक कैसा रहता है ना when you see an end point कि हाँ हम लोग ये कर रहे ताकि हम लोग स्टेज पे जाएंगे तो people get motivated कि हाँ स्टेज पे आगे वाले डांस करके घर पे ही दिखाने वाले तो लोग इतने मोटिवेट नहीं होते.
वो इसके नहीं, that is why I asked. And इसके लिए वो end goal sort of a thing is important.
Yeah.
And so having said that, what is your end goal या फिर your big vision for your studio?
So I don't like the word end. I would call it milestone goals. So for my studio, ऐसा major कुछ नहीं है. I just wanted to grow, keep growing. So a big change. Abhi, this is a little off topic. A big change I've recently done in 2025 is that I moved out of the hospital that I was. That hospital, I used to run it. I decided to move out from there and start my own practice at this clinic. सो 2 क्लिनिक मेरा अभी सृष्टि के क्लिनिक में ही मैंने स्पेस लेके क्लिनिक चालू किया मेरा. Is just 2 months old. So I've been working for 10 years at the hospital, managing patients, admitting patients, but that hospital stress was getting to me.
हाँ.
And I wanted to focus on more things in life. So I came close to home. So now I'm in the same premises as the studio. So I want to give more time with dance studio along with my practice. Practice to hai hi. I mean, it's not going anywhere. I am still practicing. I'm just building up a new base now. But along with that, I want to give more time to dancing myself and to the studio where we both together. हम लोग साथ में ही अभी same premises में काम करते. We spend more time together, more time with my son Aryaveer. And studio को भी grow करने का एक अच्छा chance मिलेगा. That is the point. So with Vayu also we are doing that. We are pushing it into the society ki baba we are here. We are there and his studio is there. His studio has been there for a long time now and we want them to see what we are doing. That more people come in, a bigger community forms. That is the goal. कि यहाँ पे grow करना है studio को.
I think the vision is that only, to grow a community, grow a community of people who probably wanted to dance but didn't have a courage. कि नहीं, शायद आप जैसे बोल रहे हो, शायद मैं awkward लग रहा हूँ. वो लोगों के लिए it's a safe space for them to come and explore that option.
Right, amazing guys, amazing. और कुछ? That's it. Right, okay, amazing. So it's been amazing talking to you guys.
Same here.
Especially coming from a place where I don't know jack shit about dance. मतलब मुझे कुछ भी orientation ही नहीं है, मालूम ही नहीं है. But from that space to know so much about dance कि यार इसमें ये होता है वो होता है. So it's been really amazing and बहुत कुछ नया सुनने मिला, एक नया world देखने मिला, at least like a glimpse from a third person perspective, but it was really nice. So thank you so much guys for coming here.
Thank you for calling us. We also got this opportunity to put our message out. So thank you so much for that.
Definitely. And of course, people will know where to find you. I will put all the links in the description and I hope your studio keeps on growing and you form that community of yours, because frankly a lot of people have like big goals and big visions, but कभी कभी ना सोचता हूँ इतना सब करना तो है but पता नहीं, is it organic even? Your vision seems to be very organic. हाँ भाई इतना करना है
यार. जैसे बोलते थे ना, how earlier it used to be said that jack of all trades and master of none is a bad thing. I don't think it's a bad thing at all.
Not at all.
I think being a jack of all trade is very beneficial. आप सब कुछ करो, थोड़ा करो, but जो करना है वो करो. You don't have to be an ace for everything, I think you should do.
genuinely कर रहे हो वही
Correct.
more than enough है.
I think COVID taught all of us one thing, that life is short and very unpredictable. Being happy should be a priority right now.
Correct.
Not thinking too much. Obviously, future तो important है. उसके लिए म्यूचुअल फंड्स करो यार, लेकिन लाइफ भी जियो. Like you live today, don't wait for tomorrow and forget about yesterday. आज जो है वही है and यार enjoy life. Only then will you feel happier as the time passes by.
Totally.
We never know when it's going to end. हमने end point decided तो नहीं ना कि हम लोग 10 साल तक है या 20 साल तक है. We never know, कल भी कुछ हो सकता है.
Right, amazing. Right? Chalo.
Thank you.